Good afternoon, everyone. Today's session for quiz. So, every bench move first questions. Uh, every questions has four options, just like multiple choice questions. Uh, which one is correct answer for every questions? Start the quiz. First question goes to boys side first bench. Yes, give answer. Time is over. Question goes for girl side second bench. Option is 2. Next question, girl side bench. Which option is correct answer? Third, both of above. Wrong answer. Next question goes for boys side bench. Third question for boys side. Fourth. Wrong answer. Next question goes for girl side bench. Conditional. Second option.
Yes, sir.
Wrong answer. Next question for boys side.
Yes, sir.
Third bench. Yes, give answer. Pie chart is the right answer. Next question goes for second bench, girl side.
Option B, sorting. B, second option.
Second option. Wrong answer. Last question for everyone.
चलो पहले हम हाथ
BBA
तुम खड़ा क्या होगा
हाथ को नीचे करेंगे. Yes. Anyone? Subtract. ये लॉक कर दें. Subtract is the right answer.